Hi, good morning everyone, or good day. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys, we will be cash stuffing our first paycheck for the month of May. Now, hindi ko alam yung itemization ng ating income about sa salary ko or about sa bonus. So I'm just gonna put a total amount here and then i-indicate ko na lang siya sa susunod. Okay. For today, we will be cash stuffing a total amount of, let me just add 43,200. Yung income to, yung hobby ko, nakapagdala siya ng ganyang amount, but we will be talking about anong gagawin natin sa perang yan. But for today, yung i-cash stuff lang muna natin is yung pera na income ko for my full-time job and also with my bonus. So nabilang ko na ito guys, and we will start our cash stuffing. So, una nating gagawin ay si debt, which is 2,956. Mamaya ko na to ito total tong lemon vax. Sa lemon is siya yung dog namin, tapos pinavax ko siya. Wala kasi akong naitabi last time, kaya nanghiram muna ako. So, I'll just start with debt, which is 3,000. Unahin ko to. 1, 2, 3. So, I'm still trying to keep up, guys, with the budgeting, with the income, kasi I've realized na yung income ko talaga wouldn't be really that enough for us. So, I'll just do my best na pagkasyahin ito. So, for the savings, mamaya na siya. So, let's have for the grocery. By the way, yung last grocery ko, it's umabot siya ng 1,400. But, hindi pa talaga siya yung whole amount or whole items na nabili ko. Meron pa siyang kulang. So, still, si grocery, parang kulang na kulang yung 1,500. But, I'll see what will happen next time. So, si public transportation, that's gonna be 1,000. Then we have Veco, 1,000. Tapos mamaya guys, pag-usapan natin ito. So, May na tayo. May na tayo guys. So, sobrang bilis ng panahon, no? Ang ingay ng taas. Hindi ko alam if naririnig ninyo. So, we have the vitamins for 500. By the way, na-realize ko, nung ni-review kong previous budgeting ko, yung vitamins is not about vitamins talaga. It's more likely a medical. So, it's like my sinking funds, medical of 10K. Kasi, just in case na knock on wood, na wala sanang mangyaring masama. Let's say, for example, na may ma-hospital sa isa sa amin, sa kids, especially yung kids ko, is that meron akong cash na 10,000 just any case na mag-exceed kami sa aming health insurance. Meron kasi akong health insurance sa aking company na 2 kids ko is covered. But yung mom ng husband ko is hindi. So, wala siyang insurance and siya pa naman yung sakitin. So, we're just gonna do our best na makapag-put up ako ng medical funds. Again, for 10K. But for now, I'll do the vitamins. And then for momshi, meaning that's for sa mother-in-law ko, which is 1,000 still. And then, ang ingay ng taas. Miscellaneous, it's 1K. Okay. So, let's see. Magkano yung naiwan ko dito? So, meron pa akong Shopee for Papa na 500. So, babayaran natin yan. Kunin ko muna ito para may notes ako. So, ito yung yung ayaw na ayaw ko. Kasi, si hubby, meron siyang meron siyang nabili sa Shopee and nagalit talaga. Hindi naman ako nagalit, parang disappointed lang ako kasi umorder siya, umutang siya. And alam niyo naman ako, hindi talaga ako masyadong mahilig or fan of interest rates. So, na-miss niya yung due date, meron siyang interest at gusto ko siyang i-fully pay as soon as possible yung utang niya sa Shopee kasi ayaw kong lumaki. Now, I still have like love funds of 1.5. Okay. By the way, nagasto ko pala yung love funds here na 1K kasi na-hospital yung inaanak ko. So, instead of this as a tuition fee sa kapatid ko, naibigay ko muna sa aking cousin kasi nga inaanak ko yun na-hospital siya. Kailangan niya ng pambili ng gamot. So, we're all good sa love funds. So, next is, magkano ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, yung food allowance, hindi ko na itabi. Wait lang. So, food allowance natin is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 2K. So, food allowance. So, bilangin ko muna. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So, 20,000. 2K pala, hindi 20,000. So, meron pa ako nitong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, yung 300, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa allowance ko. I-add ko na lang siya. So, lalagay ko dito 2,300 kasi marami akong utang na dapat babayaran. Alam niyo naman ako, palautang. Charot. Hindi ako palautang, guys, ha. Kapag lang, nasushorten lang ako na kailangan ko talagang manghiram. It's really annoying. So, yung babayaran ko na lang, again, it's 960 na utang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, lalagay ko to sa debt kasi para makapagbayad ako ng utang. So, for the utang, ayoko talaga nito. Hi, Lord. Sana hopefully by next pay, or with this pay, hindi next pay, yes, okay na ako. Hindi na ako mangungutang. Please naman, Lord. Hindi ako masu-shorten. Yan, okay. So, ito naman, si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ilalagay natin siya sa savings binder. And then, as you all know, we have a new upcoming or new serye, budget serye na savings. So, yep. So, for the next one is yung ito. 21,800 na pinadala ng aking husband. Ay, 800 pala to. Oh, 900. Sorry. So, na-misspell ko siya. 21,900 siya. But, for this one, we need to pay his tuition fee. Not tuition fee, back balance. Back balance na kanyang school para maka-release siya ng TOR. Kasi kapag wala yun, hindi siya makakapag-enroll kung saan siya ngayon. Guys, so I need to pay his. But ngayon kasi ang nangyayari is I'm working with his good moral from his other school kasi nag-transfer siya to culinary school, and then with the culinary school, asking kasi sila ng good moral before ma-release yung TOR niya. Aside from that, meron din siyang balance na 15,000. So, dapat namin bayaran to para makapag-release. Now, if hindi ma-release or medyo matatagalan yung good moral niya na i-release from his previous school, hindi na namin ipupush itong TOR kasi sabi ng isang migration lawyer niya is pwede naman daw na walang TOR pero much better daw. There's a good chance na mas malaki yung chance daw kapag mayroong TOR, but if wala, meron naman kasi siyang certificate sa TESDA na kung saan nag-take siya ng food and beverage. So hopefully, magiging okay, pero I'm still planning to pay the 15,000. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so, set aside ko na lang yung 15,000. So, set aside ko na lang to. And then, meron pa tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,900, which is ilalagay ko dito sa ating savings. There we go. So, alam niyo na yung drill. By the end of the month or last paycheck is gagawa tayo ng savings challenge update. So, okay. So, regarding with Lemon Fox, dito ko siya nahiram sa insurance. Wait. So, 400 siya. Lagay ko na lang dito sa ating 6 debt. Kunin ko to. Yan. Dan. Okay. So, balik ko lang. Yan, all good. Then we have the investment. Ang ko naman ito yun. 2,000. So, yep. Okay. just fix this. And there we go. Okay, I'm all good. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope na nagustuhan niyo ang cash stuffing for today, and I will see you on our next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.